Hello guys, I'm Monica and this is the Poke game I wrote using React. I haven't played the game yet, so I came up with my own set of rules. They are very basic and simple, and as you'll see, this is game based on logic, UI and animations to give the game its feel. The logic is contained in a central component which holds the functionality. The presentational components are reusable and highly customizable to change the configs as desired, like adding more number of layers or increasing or decreasing the number of Poké cards in the Pokédex of the game. The data of Poké cards is fetched from the REST API called Poké API, which is available for free. Data starts loading on the homepage load so as to give the game a smooth feel even on a slow network. So, by the time user enters the game, data is already present in the Redux store. Now, let's dive deeper into my project. As you all can see here, there is a multiplayer mode, that is versus a friend, which is a future goal for now. And then there is a mode to battle against the computer, which is my current phase of the project. As you all can see, there are two Pokédexes here. One belongs to the player, another belongs to the computer. Each Pokédex can have a maximum of 7 cards, and in each turn, a player can either discard a card from the Pokédex or can pick a card from the card deck, or you can swap the card in the discard pile with a high EXP card from your decks if you desire. For example, you want bug card here, so as to increase the number of bug type, what you need to is click on this and then this, then you'll have the bug type card. So now you have two bug type cards. And at any point of the game, you can press R to recheck the game rules, which are simple. You can either collect 4 sets of different types of Pokemon where one set equals to 3 cards, or you can ensure you win the game by scoring more than 2200. I do not have enough time to demo the whole game, so I have given you all a gist about it. In short, making the game app was the hardest part, as there are so many challenges you come across, so many small details to take care of, you won't even realize until you are dealing with it yourself. Any good app demands a fine balance between the functionality and the user experience. But a game app seeks so much more of it than just any ordinary app. As might have been obvious to you, if it's a multiplayer game, small add-ons are required to know if it is player's turn or it's the opponent's turn. If there is any card selection or an addition of the card to the decks. Every bit of this was challenging, and so was remembering every click and maintaining its state. What could be the expectation? After all, it's a game. And you can see if I want to leave the game in between it, I got a alert for it. And so the merging of my own custom animations with React animation library was equally troublesome. I had to use my own hack to make them working. For now, this is all I can do. By the way, do check out my Pokegame at github.io. The link is attached in the given document. Hope you enjoy the game as much as I do, and if you do, don't forget to star it. Thank you.